Hey y'all. Welcome to Pretty and the Paint, the place where nail techs level up. My name's Dre and I'm one of Ms. T's students. But around here, we call her our Fairy Nail Godmother. And let me tell you, she's the real deal. Ms. T has taught me everything I know, from prepping natural nails the right way, to sculpting with precision, to laying acrylic so smooth it looks airbrushed. I used to feel stuck, second-guessing every move. Now, I walk into the salon with confidence, skill, and style, because I had Ms. T guiding me every step of the way. So if you're a new tech, a seasoned pro, or just looking to sharpen your nail game, this is the channel for you. Get ready to learn pro techniques, insider secrets, and those game-changing skills that set you apart. Oh, and don't worry, she keeps it fun, honest, and full of love. So hit that follow, subscribe, and let's get into it. We're Pretty in the Paint, baby, and this is just the beginning.
If she ain't got a butt, fucking get a toy. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these plans, I get the